Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shaved end, but we're about to go to the living room because I have another unboxing video. Now this one I've been kind of hinting about in some of my previous videos. It's from a razor company that is back in business today, and I want to show you their new products. So let's go into the living room, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Thanks for watching.
All right, everybody, welcome to the unboxing. And this package actually comes from a razor company that went out of business. And I actually have one of their original razors that I've used very early on in the Kensurfs YouTube channel. And I still have it today, and I still use it. But when they went out of business, another company came in, kind of took over, and they are back today. So it's really good because the quality of the razors were always good. So let's see what we have in the box. And if you hadn't guessed it, it is Above the Tie. So Above the Tie, like I said, they had went out of business and they are back. And they've actually kind of fine-tuned all of their razors and made them, in what I hear, a little better. And they were great to begin with. So let's see what we have here. Got Above the Tie. All right. Here we go. Two razors. We'll look at the first one. So here's the packaging you get. Very nice presentation. Is it magnetic? Let's see. Yep, it is magnetic. So let's open this up. And here we go, looking sharp. Welcome to the circle. Let's be social. Above the Tie. Oh, here we go. Let us see what we've got here. Here is their slant. Very heavy. I like that. Stainless steel, solid stainless. Let's take a look at the razor itself here. Got the gasket there. We'll set down the handle. There's the Above the Tie emblem. And this is the closed comb slant, which I really like. Open combs and slants are a little bit too much. Oh, look at that. You got some nice pins to hold it. Now I wonder, it goes on this way. Can it also go on that way? It can. Very good. So there's no real markings or anything you have to worry about. So anything else come in the box? Let's take a look. Oh! Let me set down the head. So what do we got here? Got too big a finger. Here, let's take this out, shall we? We'll take this out. See if I can get this out of there, the base plate. There's the open comb. There's the open comb base plate. Very much like the one that I have. And what do we have here? Oh, some blades from them. Very good. So let's put this guy back. And it does have an optional stand that you can get for these. Let's put this back in here. We'll put the rubber gasket back on. Oh, very nice weight razor. I'll have all the details when I'm shaving with these. But, oh, really nice weight. The knurling looks real good. Look at that finish. Very good. All right. Let's put this guy back. We'll take a look at the other one. Again, Above the Tie. Same nice boxing. Very nice. Oh, here we go. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, there's that base plate or that stand I was telling you about. Let's take a look here. Take this out. Whoa, very nice. This is really nice. This one's got a real superior polish. Let's take a look again. Take off the handle. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice finish. Let's look at the stand. Oh, here we go. Got the drain hole here, so you don't have water building up in there and rusting your equipment. Very nice. Oh, I cannot wait to try these out. Very good. I'm glad we're not losing razor companies. In fact, there's probably more razor companies today doing DE razors than there have been in the last 20 years, so that's just fantastic. All right, I cannot wait to try these out, and that will be coming up in an upcoming video. Well, thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Until then, stay safe and happy holidays.